How is it going, guys? Today we are going to be taking a look at a new clutch that I'll be installing in the FRS from XClutch. If you guys aren't familiar with them, I'll give you a quick rundown on their background. XClutch is actually a US division of Australian Clutch Services. So they're fairly new in the US market, but they have been designing and developing clutches for over 30 years now in South Australia. They have everything from an OEM plus replacement clutch to high performance applications like drag racing, circuit racing, and drifting. They've worked with multiple championship teams throughout the years, so I'd say they sort of know what they're doing, and they have a ton of different options depending on what your needs are. Now, if we take a look at the kit that's in front of me here, this is their 9.5 inch or 240 millimeter single plate clutch kit. I just went with a stage 1 kit that's not too aggressive because I still want to be able to comfortably drive this car out on the street. But this is able to hold a lot more power compared to the stock clutch. It's rated for up to 442 foot-pounds of torque. This car is nowhere near even half of that, so this is gonna be plenty of clutch for us. It's also gonna be great because it's not gonna affect too much how the pedal feels. A lot of times when you install a high-performance clutch in your car, it can really mess with how the pedal effort feels. It can be really stiff or a lot softer than it used to be, but XClutch has taken pedal effort into account to improve the drivability of their clutch kit, so it's one less thing to worry about. So let's take a look at everything that is included in this kit here. Right on top, this purple piece here is the lightweight pressure plate. These fingers here are what the throwout bearing is going to press into to release the pressure on your clutch. I've also got the bolts that hold this to the flywheel off so that we can take a look underneath this. This is the actual clutch disc itself. You can see the friction material here. This is where you're gonna see the most variance as far as different types of friction material and whether or not it is a sprung or rigid clutch disc. Underneath the clutch, we've got the performance flywheel. This is bolted directly to the engine. We also have a new pilot bearing that will need to be pressed into the flywheel. We've got a new throwout bearing as well, and some flywheel bolts that they included, and of course the clutch alignment tool. So it comes with pretty much everything we need to get it installed on the car. This is gonna be a really nice upgrade that's gonna be able to take any abuse I throw at it, whether I'm beating on the car at the track or if I decide to add some force induction in the future, I won't have to worry about any clutch slippage. Now, if you guys are interested in seeing the XClutch lineup that is available, check out the link down in the description. Or if you guys wanna see a clutch install guide, make sure you guys are subscribed so that you can see how I go through the whole process when I'm installing it on my car. If you guys wanna see more behind the scenes on this car, be sure to check out my personal channel. The link is down in the description as well. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.